Alright, here we go. Gonna do just a expansion video with the 300 Blackout using Hornady American Gunner, shooting into flour with rice behind it and then catching the bullet in denim, and we're gonna see what we got. So y'all stick around and be entertained. Here we go. See what we can do. We just kicked up. We are not putting through. Nice little center hole, center mass. We go. Took it to the rice. And we blew out the rice. Rice decided to take some into the jeans. Compensating for something, I guess. And we are through the first pair. We are into the second pair. We are out the second pair. Into the third. I believe we are caught in the third pair of jeans. Wind will pick up. I do believe I can feel the bullet. Alright. Here we go. Into the third pair of jeans. And there you are. Alrighty, here we go again. This is a flour and rice expansion caught in the denim. The 300 Blackout American Gunner, hollow points, 125 grain. Shooting into the flour, then the rice, and then catching in the denim behind it. Not too shabby. Little gnarly looking, kind of folded up on itself, kind of bullet. Kind of. If you look, this was from another test of shooting the FWC. The bullet's actually kind of doing the consistent thing. So, looks like that's kind of a norm on it. Let's see what we got. It's a 300 at the widest. We're looking at 5.2. Not too bad. Not too bad at all. It's got a little bit of denim in it. I'm not going to dig it out. Let's see what we got on the weight. 125 grains, and we got 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, the wind started kicking it around. It's 123.4 grains. You're just going to have to take my word on it. It's kind of flopping around now because of the wind. That's kind of cool. So it definitely retained everything. Well, I guess you got to subtract the denim and whatnot out of it. So not too bad. Gnarly little bullet going in, hitting flour, getting it to maybe open. I figured it would have floured up instead of just rolling over. But there you go. And then hit the rice behind it and caught in the denim. Thanks for watching.